Learn to let go. This is the secret of happiness. Remember that sometimes not getting what you want is a wonderful stroke of luck. Love and compassion are necessities, not luxuries. Without them, humanity cannot survive. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. Our prime purpose in this life is to help others, and if you can't help them, at least don't hurt them. Compassion naturally creates a positive atmosphere, and as a result, you feel peaceful and content. When you realize how perfect everything is, you will tilt your head back and laugh at the sky. It is good to remember that other human beings are like us. We are born the same way, we die the same way. While we are alive, it is better to be able to trust each other as friends. The way to change others' mind is with affection and not anger. In order to carry a positive action, we must develop here a positive vision. Every day, think as you wake up. Today, I am fortunate to be alive. I have a precious human life. I am not going to waste it. Let us try to recognize the precious nature of each day. We all have the power of thought. So what are you lacking? If you have willpower, then you can change anything. Letting go takes a lot of courage sometimes, but once you let go, happiness comes very quickly. You won't have to go around, search for it. When we feel love and kindness toward others, it not only makes others feel loved and cared for, but it also helps us to develop inner happiness and peace. When we meet real tragedy in life, we can react in two ways, either by losing hope and falling into self-destructive habits, or by using the challenge to find our inner strength. If you are quiet enough, you will hear the flow of the universe. You will feel its rhythm. Go with this flow. Happiness lies ahead. Meditation is the key. If you want others to be happy, practice compassion. If you want to be happy, practice compassion. As you breathe in, cherish yourself. As you breathe out, cherish all beings. Sometimes one creates a dynamic impression by saying something, and sometimes one creates as significant of an impression by remaining silent. An open heart is an open mind. Smile if you want a smile from another face. Calm mind brings inner strength and self-confidence, so that's very important for good health. When we feel love and kindness toward others, it not only makes others feel loved and cared for, but it also helps us to develop inner happiness and peace. The whole purpose of religion is to facilitate love, compassion, patience, tolerance, humility, and forgiveness. More compassionate mind more sense of concern for others' well-being is source of happiness. When you practice gratefulness, there is a sense of respect toward others. Life is a mirror and will reflect back to the thinker what he thinks into it. Moving on, open your arms to change, but don't let go of your values.